Welcome to day 7 of investing from $10 to $1 million, which feels a little overwhelming saying that out loud. So here's a question as you watch this episode unfold. What would change for your investing journey if you only focused on the next step, not the finish line? By the end of this video, you'll see how breaking a massive goal into clear money milestones can turn overwhelm into forward momentum. In the last episode, I set the foundation for the entire challenge, including the principles and purpose. But today, I'm building the roadmap. In this episode, I'm walking you through the 10 money milestones that make this entire series realistic. This is where the golden envelopes behind me come in. When I reach a milestone, I'll open up the envelope on this channel and reveal something special inside that involves you, the viewer. Now let's discuss the exact roadmap of the 10 money milestone goals I plan to reach. The goal for milestone number 1 is $1,000 and building discipline. This milestone is about showing up, finding income sources, and proving to myself that I can build this from the ground up. Milestone number 2 is $5,000 and will help build confidence along the way. Milestone number 3 is $10,000. This milestone is where I will challenge myself to earn more and reset the patterns that hold most people back. Milestone number 4 is $25,000. This milestone is where strategy and support becomes essential. Milestone number 5 is $50,000. This is the moment where a brand new level of wealth unlocks. Milestone number 6, $75,000. At this stage, planning becomes more intentional and organization becomes essential. Milestone number 7, $100,000. And the moment a psychological shift happens, long-term clarity matters more, and having guidance becomes incredibly valuable. Milestone number 8, $250,000. This includes purpose and impact. Milestone number 9, $500,000. $500,000 would simply reflect the disciplined steps I took along the way and set me up for the legacy I want to leave behind. And milestone number 10, the final step, is $1 million. By having these small milestones, I'll be able to achieve long-term financial goals because the target doesn't feel so far away. And to keep the vision right in front of me, I have a giant milestone thermometer on the back of my office door. Every time I reach a new milestone, I get to fill in the next section. This is how you can turn a massive financial goal into something achievable, one clear step at a time. But here's the truth that most people don't talk about. Without a structure, without a plan, without milestone goals, investing can seem overwhelming. That's why I built this roadmap, so I always know the next step, not just the end goal. And because I know how powerfully consistent steps can be if you want a structured way to follow along, I made a free 30-day investment challenge with a milestone map you can download below. For legal purposes, I do have to say this is educational use only and not financial advice. Now let's talk about the first action of the entire series. My first $10 invested inside my brokerage account that I opened up last week. I transferred $10 from my savings account, which will start the habit and set the tone for the behavior that I plan to build over time. To officially kick off this challenge, I invested my first $10 into an exchange-traded fund that tracks the overall market. Now let's keep track of everything in my spreadsheet, starting with income. I transferred $10 into my savings account because $10 removes every excuse to start investing. The ticker I bought was VOO, Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Shares were 0.015. As you can see, I was only able to buy $9.55 worth of VOO at 0.05 shares. I'll buy more when I earn more, but right now the 45 cents will stay in my money market account. As for the fees for VOO, it's only 0.03%. Anything less than 0.5% is good. And because this fee is such a low amount, this won't affect my investment today. So the total cost for my first investment is $9.55. As for performance, all I'm going to enter today is my value for the month, which is $9.55. And I will update this tab monthly. So now that first $10 is invested and a roadmap is clear, episode 3 is where the real work begins. In the next episode, I'm exploring how mindset can hold people back and the systems I'm using as this challenge continues. And if you want to follow this entire series with me, make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss a single episode. Or if you're new here, you can start from episode 1, which I linked in the comments below. See you next week!